So first here I've opened up Zoom on the desktop, and when it first opens up you're going to see this window. You can full size it or window it, it's up to you. Don't just make a new meeting. You can create a meeting here and keep on using this code, but we suggest that you schedule a meeting. And you also make that meeting a reoccurring meeting so that the students can use the same code over and over again. So hypothetically, you should only have to have one room for the entire time that we're using this. We'll let you know if we're going to require a password. We'll find out what our Korean friends are doing, and then we'll follow along with them. So here's the setting either way. Please make sure that your video host is on, your participant's video is on, and down here in your advanced options, please make sure that your waiting room is enabled. Do not enable join before host. Enable mute participants on entry, and also enable automatically record meeting on the local computer just in case there's any problem. You have a backup. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and schedule that, and you'll see that it opens up Google Chrome. It may open a different browser for you, but it'll open up your default browser into Google Calendar. You can here, please make sure that it's not our general calendar. Please put a new calendar. You can create your own if you'd like. Add a notification to help yourself. I would suggest 20 minutes, and make sure your room is open 20 minutes before the students come in, because you did turn off join before you get there, which means that if you're not there, the students can't even go into the waiting room. And you'll see, I'll move myself out of the way. You see down here, you've got all the information you need. So if you want to have the meeting twice a day, you can't schedule it using the Zoom app, but all you have to do is copy this information into a new calendar appointment, and then you can repeat that for the whole week so that you have 2 appointments if we have multiple Zooms per day, and you can keep everything straight. But down here you see you have your meeting ID, and then if you you'll also have your password down here, and here is a link. So you save your meeting to make sure it's on your calendar. As you can see here, I've got right here. If you click on it, I believe I had it every day. So you can see here it goes through every day. Okay, so if you want to, so we're going to open up our Zoom meeting. And it should prompt you to open Zoom. If you don't have it on your computer already, it will download it and install it for you. Just give it a moment to connect. I would suggest, for the first couple times or with your team, make sure you're testing everything. So say yes. Make sure you have the proper microphone selected. Yes. So then join with computer audio. And then once you've checked it once, you probably don't have to do it the next time you open up a Zoom. So I'm going to full screen here. And these are the things that you're going to have to pay attention to. It should automatically be recording, but hit record to make sure that it is recording. Go to your managed participants. And once you have people waiting to come in your room, you'll see them over here. Please make sure that your settings are mute participants on entry. Do not allow them to unmute themselves. Allow them to rename themselves. That's really up to you. Enter exit chime is good to know when students are coming in, and make sure that you have a waiting room set. Now, if all of your students are in the room, you can actually lock the meeting so that nobody else can join. That's another security feature that you could also use. So make sure the video is working. Now, I'm using my video right now in Loom, so you can see that my picture is down here. You'll see your picture up here. All right, I'm going to end the meeting. Make sure you end meeting for all, not just leave meeting, because your students will be able to interact, which we don't want. Now, if you want to check out your profile, just go to my profile. It'll open it up in Zoom online. Choose your account. Right, and you see here, it'll have all your meetings. If you got your IDs here. You also do have a personal meeting ID, but I don't suggest giving that out to students. Just make your own rooms. That's about it. So if there's any other questions, please send me a message. I'd be more than happy to help. All right, everybody, good luck.